Alright guys, we got a Buick Enclave. We think that the front mount's bad on it, so Cody's going to pull it down into gear and watch the actions of this. You see that engine flip back? That's way too much movement. Put it in reverse. Now go back and forward. Yeah, you see that? That's way too much movement on that engine. So we're going to check out the mounts, find out which one is bad, and replace it and video it and show you how to get it done.
Whenever you put these in, you have to push the mount all the way over here. That way you can get your bracket up in there, or there won't be enough room. This, get your bracket in, then bring your mount back to your bracket. There we go. Make sure you start the top of that mount first and then line your bolts up with it.